First, you add glue inside your measuring cup. I think it's not opened. Now put the glue inside the measuring cup. Then, as soon as you're done pouring enough glue, then you add any ingredients you want or you have. He is using a mega powder that's glittery. Now he'll mix with his spoon. I think you should add more glue. You can add glue as you're going through. Now that you're done adding the glue, you can add more ingredients that you want. He's adding more mega powder. Now he's mixing, so his slime gets really gold.
Ooh, very pretty.
Now it's time to add the borax. Soon as he opens the borax, add the borax in. Don't add a lot. Then start mixing until it becomes slime. If it's really sticky, you have to add more borax. Don't add that much. Slime is kind of ruining because he added way too much. Now take your slime off the spoon and use your hands to knead the slime, which will make the slime not sticky so you don't make a mess. I'm gonna get some of yours out. If you add way too much borax, it'll turn into a ball. Or rubbery.
How do you fix it?
I think you need some glue. Because that's the only way you can fix it.
Oh my!
Add more glue.
Yes.
It's kind of fixing. Soon as you made your slime, you can start playing with it.